What up, everyone? Here's how to set up a delegated wallet for the ApeCoin DAO. It's super easy. You can start off by going to ApeCoin.com and clicking Delegate at the very top, or going straight to delegate.apecoin.com. Once you're here, you're going to see the ApeCoin delegation interface. You can see all the different delegates, and each delegate is someone you select to make governance decisions based on your behalf while retaining full ownership of your tokens. You can delegate to anyone or select an active delegate below. You can even change your delegation at any time. If you want to set up your own delegated wallet, you can click on Become a Delegate, and you'll be able to put in a delegate statement, your Twitter name, and your forum username. Then connect your wallet and sign. Then you should be able to submit. You'll get a new signing request to your wallet. Be sure it's coming from delegate.apecoin.com. Click sign in. And that's it. You're all set to become an ApeCoin delegate. Now you can start campaigning to get support from your community, and you can always update your information. The hope is that the delegated wallets will increase participation in the ApeCoin DAO and ensure that voting power gets put into great use.